closing 1 to 2 surplus deals per month. The goal of the Surplus and Excess Proceeds Fund Recovery 60-day mentorship course is to teach you how to consistently close 1 to 2 surplus deals per month. This level of deal flow will enable you to earn a consistent six-figure income while only working 32 hours per week. Each deal you close can potentially pay the recovery specialist $10,000 to $15,000, making this a highly lucrative opportunity. At Quality Recovery Agency, our focus is on surplus claims greater than $30,000 with a recovery fee of 30%. We feel this is our sweet spot, and we are able to repeat this process deal after deal with very few hurdles at contract signing. We have been truly blessed over the years with several 40% client negotiated signed contracts, but I don't recommend it for beginners. It's simply too easy for the deal to go south. Your client walks away, leaving you with nothing for all your hard work.